Okay, that's enough, Daddy. See, I got these hiccups every night for a month and a half before I was born, and now me and my cousin Caroline still both have the hiccups. Bye. Say bye. Say, I think I want to eat now.